Tired of watching your savings dwindle? 20 savvy ways to stash extra cash in 2024. Saving money doesn't have to mean extreme couponing or sacrificing all the things you love. With some strategic adjustments and shifts in mindset, you can make 2024 the year you finally start to see your bank balance grow. Let's dive into 20 practical ways to give your savings a boost. Smart savings at home. Lose the cable bill. Embrace the world of streaming services. There are plenty of affordable, or even free ways to watch your favorite shows. Dial it back, temperature-wise. You can save a lot on heating and cooling by making small adjustments to your thermostat. Get cooking. Eating out is a major budget buster. Plan your meals, use leftovers, and learn to love your own cooking. Brown bagging for the win. Pack lunches instead of buying them to save serious money. Reusable water bottle. This simple change cuts down on plastic waste and saves you from buying bottled water. Ditch the gym. Free workout videos and exercising outdoors can cut out those unused gym memberships. Savvy shopping moves. Secondhand scores. Score incredible deals and unique finds at thrift stores and online marketplaces. Coupons and cashback. Don't be afraid to use coupons and apps like Ibotta or Rakuten to get money back on purchases you were going to make anyway. Bulk buying with a plan. Stocking up makes sense for non-perishables you use often, but avoid bulk purchases of food that might go to waste. Shop with a list. This time-honored trick helps you avoid those impulse purchases. Transportation and entertainment trim downs. Ride the bus or train. If you can, try commuting via public transport sometimes for gas and parking savings. Carpool to cut costs. Split commuting expenses with neighbors to put some money back in everyone's wallets. Subscription audit. Seriously evaluate how often you use streaming services and other subscriptions. Be ruthless. Love your library? It's a source of free books, movies, music, and more. Money smart moves. Seek a refinance. Refinance your mortgage or student loans if you can qualify for better rates. Negotiate like a pro. Contact your phone, internet, and insurance providers to try to bargain for a lower rate. Automatic saving success. Set up automatic transfers so you save without even thinking about it. Pick the right bank. Look for high-yield savings accounts to get your money working for you. Experiment with no-spend days. See what you can live without to boost your savings potential. Shift focus to experiences. Remember, memories often outlast material things. Invest in adventures instead of stuff that clutters your home. Saving doesn't have to feel restrictive. Pick the strategies that fit your lifestyle and start small. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. Here's to building a healthier financial future in 2024.